My mother is the most wicked human being I've ever seen in my life. So I'm not wishing her happy Mother's Sunday. She's a beast.
My people, now welcome back. Yes, Olakunle Churchill celebrates and throws flower at his newly wedded wife, Rosie Murray, as she celebrates her very first Mother's Day after the birth of their bouncing baby boy. My beautiful people, yes, a man attacks a young girl in a public bus transport as she's putting on long artificial nails and long braids. My people, wahala no dey finish. Yes, a man comes out and calls out his mother to be wicked and mean, and that he will not wish her a happy Mother's Day as she doesn't deserve it. So guys, welcome back to Kongosa and Gossip TV. If not, this is the first time you're stopping by, you're welcome. If you've been watching and you've not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do want to subscribe to this channel, my people. All the returning subscribers, thank you now. Make you die for the matter sharp.
Many people have been wishing their mother happy Mother's Sunday. Me, I don't have a mother. My mother is the most wicked human being I've ever seen in my life. So I'm not wishing her happy Mother's Sunday. She's a beast. And I cannot wish her happy Mother's Sunday. Because she's a very, very wicked human being. Do you understand? And I don't love my mother. I hate this person. That's all.
This one be so painful, my people. This one dey so heart touching. That is, it dey pain me the way I listen to how this man dey take talk about him mother, my people. Even if your mother do you now wetin, this na day wey you suppose stand. You give her thanks at least for the fact say she bring you into this world. My brother, for you for stand so come publicly, come call your mommy all the names the way you call am, you take use the H word for your mother, say you H her with a lot of passion, and that is fine. And that is, you stand on top your words, you talk with a lot of conviction. That means say your mommy e don disappoint you plenty, my brother, but no be for come for outside, for come do this kind of way you do am. My brother, I want beg forgiveness for your mommy. E sick, say make you forgive am. Just because she bring you for this world, you supposed forgive am despite everything that she don't do for you. I want also use this opportunity for talk for all the mommy them way they go listen to this video. Oh my people, they say make you train your child for way when e big, e no go depart from it. My people, they train you way we dey give our children. It matter a lot, because now these children be our future of tomorrow. Now these children, they go be our reflection of tomorrow. So if we not act fine, if we not bring this our children up well, now this kind of insults we go receive them tomorrow, my people. My people, I watch this video, it pain me. I watch this video, I feel broken down. I watch this video, I see her blood, it dry from my marrows. My people, this one pain sha. Nobody no supposed to talk about a mother this way. If your pikin talk about you this way, that means say you don't feel as a mother, my people. Make we know the kind way we would take educate our pikin them, so that we no go fall for this kind situation where this our brother in mother, it don't fall now. Public disgrace, my people. Imagine, my people, this one na matter way a young girl it take enter downfall. As he talk, he say, I decided to enter downfall today, and this guy said my nails is too long. I told him to leave my nails alone. He touched my hair again, that my hair is too long, and started dragging my hair. Immediately I said, don't touch my hair. This man started beating me and broke my nails. Thank God for fellow passengers who saw everything that happened. My people, wahala no dey finish. Oh, hey God, my brother, you know this our sister before. You don't see her for some place before. Abi una be get a program ni. What is this now? So she go enter downfall. You go come, they command her upon the kind nail, upon the kind hair where she put. What will be your problem, my brother? You no go leave person matter alone. Now your sister, now your cousin, now your girlfriend, maybe she's free. She's in her country now. She's free to do what she wants. Some of these people that the workers, so na temptation on their own. What if you jam and now you fall, you know, wake up again? You go talk, say no, I did been, I know, I did been at this, I know be one do am so, I know mean them. My people, what do you think about this whole matter? Wetin una think about I say make I bring her to make una tell me wetin una think about this whole matter. Wetin this boy dey do e correct? The fact say the girl e wear long nails, shebi na her problem. Na she dey use the long nails, no be you. She put long braids, na her problem, na her money. Wetin take concern you? When you take the compare, you take the talk how e nails the long, e braids the long, you just dey touch her. If you be one way for touch her, you for go straight to the point. You no for take the do this kind thing, because now wahala don burst, kasala don burst, my people. Wetin una think about this matter, my people? Them the thing pain me, because anybody get way for do things where e get for do, now right way e get them as a citizen. Yes, so my people, hey, somebody is celebrating her first ever Mother's Day. Any Mother Day we go come after it now. Jazz, hey, my people, we could read. He say, yeah, it's my first Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to me. The most magical day of my life was the day you came into the world and made me a mother. You made me discover I had reserves of energy I never knew I had. I feel like a new person since you came into my life. It's been less than 2 weeks since you came, and all of the things I've ever do in my lifetime, mothering you will always be my greatest achievement. Being a mother is the most rewarding blessing in the world. Words cannot describe how this phase of my life makes me feel, but I am super grateful. No, I am going to be amazing mommy. I can't wait to go further on the motherhood journey. I'm excited, much in love with my new life. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers out there. You are strong. My people, wahala dey. As our Nollywood actress Rosie Murray celebrate her first ever Mother Day, wey she don celebrate, her husband Olakunle Churchilwe, na ex-husband to Tonto DK, he come out, he come throw roses. He say, you be, in fact, you be blessing, you be gift. As you dey celebrate this your first Mother Day, so blessing go full you. I will give you everything you want. So now no say as a push gift, they take give am Lexus. Now my people, una don't forget, they take give am Lexus as her push gift. Who knows, as she dey celebrate Mother's Day now, how much or waiting they don't give am. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers wey dey around. Happy Mother's Day for all those who they still plan for become mothers. Yes, and this day it go be known for everybody, my people. I say make I bring this news more na see, more na know say that this kind of thing they happen, and I wish for celebrate a happy Mother's Day for everybody. But before we wrap this video, thank you so much for watching till the end. If you don't watch till now, you never subscribe. What till you wait for? I beg subscribe. Make you not forget for click the notification bell so that whenever I upload, you go know I don't upload, you go run quick, you go come. I go see you now for my next video. I love una plenty. Happy Mother's Day once more.